Hello, happy Thursday. Happy Thursday. I've got a Zoom to hop on in about 20 minutes probably now. Exactly 22 minutes. So we are going to go ahead and get working on this face ASAP. We're going to do just a little bit of rolling. I've done all the skincare and everything, so I'm just going to kind of re-wet my face with the hydrating mist and roll here because I wanted to do that on camera. But you can see the glow. Look at the glow. Look at the glow. I actually did something similar yesterday. I just didn't go live or record it. So we are today. And let's depuff those eyes, girls. Let's depuff those bags. I like to actually make a circular motion. It actually moves nice and fluid doing this. I'm going to try and keep an eye on the time here. Okay, so I'm going to put it back in the beautiful box that it comes in. Love this box. It's like a national treasure at this point. So we've done everything, and now we're going to do some primer. And what I did yesterday was I mixed both the Illuminating and the Mattifying primer. I should have done a half a pump of each, but it looks like I did a pump, so we're going to roll with that. If you are watching live, come in and say, hello, is it me you're looking for? Okay, so we're really going to hit that center of the face. And actually, oh my God, this smells so good. We're also going to get down and dirty in here. That's my secret primer tip, is to put primer on the decolletage, especially for those of us girls who are a little more mature. It helps to blur and do the same things on the face that it'll do that on the decolletage as well. Look at that. Yes, baby. There we go. Okay, so next we're going to pull out some concealers. And so funny, everybody beauty over 40 is giving advice to not do what I do under my eye, but it works for me, so I'm gonna keep doing it. So we're gonna use that shade there, and let's see, hopefully we still have enough of shade 10. Down goes Fraser every single time. This is where minutes are lost. So let's pick that up and get over here on these cheeks like that. And I didn't wet my sponges, so I'm actually going to use that same brush right over here. Just blend that out. Like that. When I move, you move. Just like that. When I move, you move. Just like that. Oh, yes. So I was woken up this morning by my neighbor's dog having a bitch attack about what, I don't know, but that dog barked for a good 10-15 minutes straight. And then another dog started barking because that one was barking. And then what was I going to say? Oh, and then someone's car alarm went off. And yeah, so I'm a little late getting started this morning because I already had told myself today was a day that I would be listening to my voice. I would be okay today to kind of sleep in a little bit. And because I was up a little late last night. I did 2 blog posts yesterday. And had a day full of Zooms and meetings and all of that. So I was going to sleep in today, and this freaking dog of my neighbor's that is a complete dickwad, not the neighbor, the dog is, really kind of ruined that. So I took my time this morning. That is the wrong shade. Actually, I kind of like that. And then I'll bring it back up a little bit with another one. Jesus, I swear. Can't pick anything up without stuff falling. Good God. I might need that, so I gotta pick it up. I can't even see where it went. Oh, I definitely need that. That's the brow pomade. Gonna need that. Okay, let's just move some of this shit. My life, your entertainment, okay? My life, your entertainment. I'm here to make sure you got a laugh today, all right? So now we are going to go into this just to, oh, that was even more than I wanted to do. More than I wanted to do, but we're going to work with it. Just to really pack those bags away and even brighten just a little bit. Oh, that makes them go back even further. I love it. I love it. And yes, we needed that brow pomade because, honey, let me tell you. Okay, so now on my blog post, I talked about the 5 brow mistakes you're making that are making you look older. And we don't want to do that. And this brow pomade is actually very pigmented. It's very dark, very, very dark, very dark. So one of the things you'll want to do is make sure at the end that you kind of brush it through and comb it through. And really, when I say all you got to do is just kind of like lightly dip into it, and how with other brow pomades, I might dip back into it. No, not with this one. We're not going to do that. We're not going to do that, okay? So just going to do some light filling in here. I mean, you see that? Like, a little bit, it seriously goes a long way. A long way. Like, I'm not dipping back in at all. And we got some serious dark brown going on here. The other trick is to do like I do in the video. Don't start out here with the baseline. Start more in the middle. Okay. So we have a nice filled in brow, and we're going to do the other one. They are sisters, not twins. Sometimes they're cousins. Sometimes they're distant cousins. Okay. Today is just a noisy day. Just a noisy day. I did dip already. I noticed my brow hairs, even on my struggle brow, are a lot more manageable because they're getting the nourishing and conditioning from the brow pomade. Because it's got baobab oil in there and I think shea butter, I want to say. And I was really worried that the brow pomade would not stick still in the same spot because of the brow pomade, and I'm finding that's not an issue. That is not an issue. Okay, so we got the brows. We got the brows. Let's close the brow pomade up. We don't want that to dry out. And we're going to comb through, like I said, just to make sure it's not too dark, because it being too dark can definitely be like a sign of aging and a brow mistake. So we don't want to do that. Okay, and just a little bit more right here. All right, so now we got the brows. We got the brows did. we did the brows, okay? And now, boys and girls, what I want to do is a little bit of shadow. So we're going to use some dark brown shadow, and that is going to come from the Down to Earth palette, which is this one. See how we're doing on time. 10:18, we're doing good, we're doing good. Boys and girls, we're doing good. Okay. Come over here. Same thing. Okay. Now we're going to use this bronze shade here and just go on the lid. Okay. It's one. What am I doing? Come over here. Same thing. I like to pack it. It's what a lot of mistakes people make on the lid is they blend it. You want to pack it, okay? You want to pack it, all right? And so we did that. Now I'm going to go into that brown shade and bring it down underneath here. And I always like to flick it up to give the eye some lift there, okay? So we've done that. And now we're going to use a little bit of the Luxe liquid pen. Just for some real simple liner. Okay, same thing over here. I try not to pull the eye, but yeah, here we go. Okay, and so we got some simple liner going, and now we're gonna go into the HD Mascara. How we doing on time? 10:22. Okay, we got to jam. We got to move. We got to move. We got to stick and move. Stick and move. Stick and move. Got to move. Okay, so we've done that, and now I'm going to go into this gold shade from Down to Earth and put that in the inner tear duct area, because I don't know, I just feel like that's a better look for me, to always have some sparkle in that inner tear duct area. See what difference that makes, right? Now we're going to go into the Beauty Bakery Coffee and Cocoa palette, I'm going to go in this dark shade and just a little bit of contour. Just a little bit. Okay. What a difference it makes, let me tell you. Band. There you go. Okay, then we're going to go into this reddish brown shade here. And just blush, blush, blush. Press, 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 press. Carter don't need more press. Lightly in there. Down the nose just a little bit. Because child, when I don't have much of a nose bridge, and when that baby ain't contoured, she ain't right. She ain't right. She ain't right. Okay, so glow drops. I'm feeling more champagne today. We're going to pump out a little bit. Oh, that was a lot bit on my hand. And we're going to take this brush. Don't worry. Mama gonna blend it out. Lightly. Okay, and like I said, Mama gonna blend it all out. Because I really like everything to look like it's coming from within the skin. And if you beam me up a little bit too much, you can always go in with like a loose translucent powder over it. What is that? What is that? Okay. So now we've done that. I got a whole bunch on my hands, so I'm gonna just... my hand gonna shine to the gods. How about that? One hand will. There we go. See the difference? See the difference? Okay, and now we are going to use my, that's not brown. This is my brown lip liner. How we doing? How we doing? 1026, 1026. Gotta hurry up, gotta hurry up. A little bit of brown. And I love it with the this brown shade, Anyways, from Ellery and ColourPop. That's not bad. That's not bad. For 10 minutes, and then we top that with a little bit of the Bella Bronze for some more sheen. And then I always wipe my doe foot off when I use it over something else, because I don't want all that in there. And there we go. That is the look. And now we set it with the 4-in-1 Hydrating Mist. And ta-da! Look at that glow, Belle. Look at that glow. I can't sit here and admire it too much with you. Make sure I don't have any on my teeth. Because I gotta go. I gotta get back upstairs and get on my Zoom. But I appreciate y'all for watching. I went a little bit over, but I'm happy with the results. That's all that matters. Alrighty now. Talk to you later. Bye.